Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Crystal Real Nestor, and you're reached the Thomas Reviews channel where we do unboxings, setups, and how-to videos. So today I'm doing a box opening on the SUPRUS electric arc lighter. So let's check this out. So, this is the electric lighter, which if you guys know me, y'all know that I love gadgets, right? Pay no attention to all the stuff in the background. This is how it comes. It got a lot of warning signs. It has USB. I don't know if you guys have one of these or not, but this is my first one. This is how it comes packaged. This is just extra packaging, some instructions, and a USB cord. So it tells you warning labels, and you actually can register this for 12 months. See, 12 months of product replacement. I purchased this little gadget here on Amazon. So let's take it out of the package for those of you who don't know how this works. The cool part, I'm not gonna lie, I did test it. As y'all see, it's already fully charged. You got blue lights there. And this is how you turn it on. So these are usually used for candle lightings. They said you could use them for the grill. So I have a candle here so you can see how this goes. As y'all see, just a little surge in there. And we just put it right on top of our candle and voila. Yep, just like that. This is really cool, and it's supposed to glow in the dark. Now that part I don't know, but we could test that real quick here. See if it glows in the dark for us. Nah, I wouldn't agree with that part. It doesn't seem like it glows in the dark to me. But this is my awesome new gadget, which I purchased from Amazon. It's actually pretty a nice long size. Again, how it works is there's a button here which is covered up when you initially open it, and it has instructions. It tells you off, on. As y'all see, there's no lights. When I slide this up, it shows you how charged it is, and then you press that button there. Y'all see me light a candle. It comes with a charger. Yeah, so far I am pretty ecstatic to use this. I'm actually gonna buy a couple of more, and since we're in the holiday season, I suggest for all you guys out there who know lots of candle lovers and people who love the grill, you probably should purchase them this for Christmas stocking stuffers. It would be so cool. Again, I'm in love with it. I'm going to get me more. As y'all know, green is my favorite color. But I'm going to be looking for more. It's actually pretty healthy. It's not, you know, healthy and like weight and everything. So, anywho, it was, oops, sorry, I lost y'all. It's a good product for me. I liked it. I enjoy using it so far. Let me know, for all of you who've had the electric lighter before, let me know down below what you think. I'm thinking about other things people usually use lighters for. Again, it's a little surge there, if y'all can see it. Y'all can hear it. And that's what lights your item. I love this because if you got kids, I think this would be an awesome thing not to have to worry about like a direct on fire. And you slide it back down and it closes the little gear head down, and you charge it down on this end. Anyway, just wanted to make sure I gave you guys all the details about this item. You will see the description and the box down below. My hubby always makes sure to put where to get it from down in the description box. For those of you who already have this, please feel free to comment. Let us know what's the positives and negatives from your perspective. And thank y'all for watching. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.